Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get this look using NYX's new I Love You So Mochi palette. First, I'm going to prime my eyelid using Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and then I'm going to set it with setting powder. To warm up my crease, I'm going to use a brown shade from NYX's Wanderlust London palette. On the outer portion of my eye and into the crease, I'm going to apply color number 3, which is the hot pink looking color. Next, we're going to cut out our half cut crease with our concealer, and then we're going to set it with setting powder. For the middle portion of our lid, we're going to apply color number 7, which is more of a pastel turquoise color, and we're going to blend it in a little with the pink. In the inner part of our lid, we're going to apply color number 5, which in person looks like an icy blue color. After I touch up the pink, I am going to highlight my inner corner using color number 2, which is an icy pink color. On the inner portion of our bottom lid, we are going to apply color number 4, which is a pastel coral color. Then, for the middle of our bottom lid, we're going to apply color number 5, which is that icy blue color. And then on the outer corner of our bottom lid, we're going to go back to color number 3 and connect it to the top part where we applied the pink. Then I'm going to take a neutral color from my London palette, and I'm going to apply it to my brow bone and blend everything above the eyelid. Then we're going to take a pencil liner, and all we're going to do is smoke out our top lash line on the outer corner, and we're going to wing it out lightly. Here I'm using Ciate's Wunderwand Gel Kohl Liner. From the outer portion of our waterline to the middle, I'm using NYX's Retractable Eyeliner, and I'm using it in the color Aqua Green. Then with that same liner but in white, we're going to apply it to the middle, to the inner corner of our bottom waterline. Then apply mascara to your top and lower lashes. Here I'm using L'Oreal's Lash Paradise Mascara. For our lips, we are using NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Paris, and we're going to apply it to most of our lip, but we're going to leave the middle bare. Then to the middle of our lips, we're going to apply another matte lip cream in the color Instable. We're going to blend this out with our fingers, and then once we get the ombre we desire, we're going to top it off with Butter Gloss in the color Creme Brulee. I'm going to lightly apply a light pink blush, and then I'm going to apply a pink iridescent highlighter, and here I'm using Pink Opal from Kat Von D's Alchemist palette, and the video did cut off. Then here is my finished look, guys. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.